Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by charging the AirPod Pro 2 and case, then unlock your iPhone and enable Bluetooth. This prevents interruptions during pairing. Once done, open the case lid and hold it close to the phone so the setup animation appears. Tap Connect, then follow on-screen prompts for personalized spatial audio and noise control. Make sure to keep the AirPods in the case until the phone confirms connection. This initial step creates a reliable baseline for audio settings and firmware updates. You should now focus on fit and control customization so the AirPods perform optimally. Try each ear tip and run the seal test in the iPhone's Bluetooth settings to ensure bass and ANC effectiveness. Then, customize the stem press and hold actions for noise control or voice assistant and enable adaptive transparency if you want occasional outside sounds. Finally, toggle spatial audio and automatic ear detection to make sure playback and pausing behave the way you're almost done. Learn quick daily actions and one key fix. Use the control center or device menu to switch audio between iPhone, iPad, and Mac. This keeps workflow smooth. If an AirPod won't connect or audio is distorted, place them in the case, hold the setup button for about 15 seconds to reset, then repair. Make sure firmware updates finish with the charged case nearby, and clean ear tips periodically so microphones and sensors remain accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.